Hello, everybody. Fan Handyman here once again. It is Monday, the 28th. I know that we're getting near the end of heater season here. Getting uh, we're getting around to getting our fans out, putting them to use, and getting these put up. But I just want to make a video of this old Hunter heater that I found a couple of days ago. This came out of an old abandoned house. And the house was left behind and had all kinds of stuff in it. And there was some other stuff that I got out of it too, and I'll make a video on some of that other stuff a little bit later on. But this is an old osculating heater. I don't know if the thing works, but we are going to find out here in a few minutes. I'm guessing it's a heater. It has the radiator there in the front. There is the positions there. It looks like it has a timer on it, and I guess there's the power position. Okay, there's the side of it. Okay, here's the back. There's the carrying handle there. There's the fan there inside. And it wasn't like this when I got it from when I got it out of the house. It did have a cord to it, but it was corroded, and I removed that, and we're gonna put this cord on it. We're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna see if it works or not. There is the information tag there on the bottom. It's a Hunter, and the model is HPQ15F-E. Draws 120 volts in AC and 60 hertz, 1500 watts. There's the SKU number 172821, UPC 877-697-003306. Intertech. Made in China. Hunter is a trademark of the Hunter Fan Company and is used under a license to Hunter Home Comfort. This device complies with part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. This device may cause harmful interference, and the device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. And there's the date there on the bottom, July of 2014. So this dates back a pretty good bit. There's the oscillator there on the bottom. There's the bottom of it. Alright, I guess I'm gonna get this wire hooked up here, and we're gonna see if this thing works. Okay, I've got the cord mended and threaded up here. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see what happens. Hopefully it's nothing dangerous. Well, it just so turned out that the heater is not working. I did test it off the camera, and it really isn't worth my time to put the footage of the camera of the thing not working. So basically what I'm going to do with this is that I'm just going to scrap it for parts and whatnot, and I'm pretty sure that the screws and maybe even some parts of the motor of this will will be will be spare parts for something else. So I guess that pretty much wraps it up for this video. More videos to come, and bye bye.